Your destination is on the left.
Oh. Oh, what's in here? You scan me? What are you guys checking for? Like guns? Oh my gosh! Oh, thank you. It is, right?
Yep.
We are at the Andaz Hotel, you guys. It is 4:30 in the morning. We are a little delirious. We just got through customs and immigrations. When we got to the hotel, it was really weird. The guy opened the front of the car to check for I don't know what. And then when we got out of the car, they scanned our bodies. We had to put our bags through security. I don't know if I should feel good about that or bad and scared about that, but this room is sick. Okay, so we're gonna do a tour. They upgraded us, so to a suite.
King suite.
King suite, I didn't even hear that.
Yeah.
Breakfast is 6 to 10:30. So excited to see what they've got, which I'm sure will be delicious. Just even this light fixture, I don't know, there's such great detail in this room already. The walls are textured. You know I love a textured wall. Okay, first bathroom. I don't know if this is the only bathroom or not, but no, this is, we have a ensuite bathroom. Oh, my bad. Okay, they use, oh, it looks like Andaz, cedar, and wolfberry. What is that like? Okay, well, okay. Doesn't really smell like anything, but I'm sure it is really good. So that's their brand of lotions and such. Moving on to the kitchen area. We've got our outlets. Again, a cool little modern vibe feel with the lighting. Come around to this kitchenette area. We've got our tea kettle, our espresso maker, a sink. Got some cool decor up here. We've got our wine glasses, water glasses. I love the open glass. Are these waters for us or do you have to pay for these? Oh, they give us a ton of water.
The snack bars.
The snacks here?
I think so.
Oh, are you positive? Because I don't want to get charged for that. Okay. Oh, these are cool. They're little, I don't know what that is, but I think it's, well, no, I think it's a like cup holder. How cute. Okay, so they've got a little beer opener. Oh, these teas. Look at how cute. I've never seen teas in this shape. Hill cart. I'll have to look those up to see if they're any good. But how neat are these little snacks here? Dude, they give you a ton of tea. And then millet namkeen dasi masala, roasted not fried. No idea what this is. Ooh, quinoa chips. Oh, that's cool. Jalapeno, yum. We'll snack by the pool. And then some biscuits. That is really such a great touch. What's in here? Sugars. All right, what's down here? Oh, these are for purchase, but that's nice. They actually have cream, which a lot of places do not have cream.
How do you know they're
Well, it's like sparkling water. It looks like nicer things.
So there's no menu, there's no price list, there shouldn't be.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this at the mini bar is.
What? Oh my gosh, should we call just to make sure? I really don't want to get charged for that. What's in here? Oh, these must be the, oh yeah, the Nespressors. Okay, wrapping around here to the living room. We gotta figure the lights out. Oh, not that one. Ooh, I wonder what our view is. Oh, we've got a pool view. Oh, wow. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty to show you guys in the morning. Can you kind of see the pool though? So it looks like there's multiple pools. Oh my gosh, this place is incredible. How much did this place cost tonight? What?
$230.
Okay, that's not bad, $230? In the States, oh man, you get nothing for that. Some nice drawers here. Oh gosh, oh, that's a fold down. Same. So some extra storage. What is in here? Nothing. Oh, just kidding, it's a trap door. And it goes to the bedroom. Wow, look at this. Oh man, this is nice. So we have a big old king bed. Oh, there's a light. Oh, there's some lights. All right. Wow. I love this. Oh, my mom's gonna love this to do her makeup. This nice lamp that turns on. Like this, maybe. But, oh, look at this pen even. I love it. Okay, moving on to the bathroom. Ooh, there's a tuner in here. Oh, it's a TV. We've never had one of these. Oh, that's amazing. So you can literally watch TV in the bathtub. Oh, I gotta call my parents and let them know. That is incredible. Oh, look at that. Oh, a nice big bath, which, oh, unfortunately, we probably won't be able to understand any of it, but that's okay. And then, what is in here? Shower. Oops. Oh, it's huge. Oh, this is it. This doubles as a steam room because it's sealed. Yes, and it's giant. Oh, wow. Double sink, which look at these. Even the faucets are really unique.
Moving on.
Okay, moving on, sorry. Okay, so you've got your vanity mirror stuff, which is awesome. The double nice towels. Oh, are these our robes?
Rope rack.
What are these? Wait, no, these are robes also. Yes. Oh my gosh, they're like light robes.
Oh,
These are amazing. Oh, I bet I can wear this down to the pool, right?
so,
Yes, because I didn't bring a cover up. I only brought a bathing suit. Now, toaleta. Made for a king. So cool. We've got your butt washer. Oh, they've got our slippers. They've got an umbrella. They have our robes, which we love, a scale to see how much weight we've gained after all the food we've eaten. We've got some laundry bags here. We've got a hair dryer. Ooh, a shoe bag. We always love taking the shoe bags. I will be taking this for sure. Shoe bag. And then a safe, and then just lots of storage room. And they have your shoehorn. He loves a good shoehorn. Do you think we can take this? Okay. All right. And the last thing that I saw, a nice little amenity kit. So earbuds, sanitary bag, comb, shaving kit, dental kit, shower cap, cotton pads. They've got it all, man. And then they've got the same body lotion of the Andaz. I love that big old mirror right there. Bed test. Oh, that's a good one. Nice and hard. Oh no, I gotta show you one thing. Pillows are great. They squish down nice and low. There was one other thing that I saw that I think is a complimentary gift. What is this? Oh man. Oh well, that's cool. This is awesome. The fact that they upgraded us, this is a great day. We'll show you around tomorrow to see what else they have to offer. So far, highly, highly, highly recommend this place. All right, we will see you guys en la mañana. Let's get that out. Looks so good, like the meat and stuff. This would be like English, right? Or English breakfast. Oh yeah. What is it? Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you. Make all the chai. So it's a very big facility, which is nice. Lots of walking areas that are beautiful. The gym is going to be past the pool side. Indira Spa. They offer a selection of spa services. That's cool.
Mama papa re mama papa ni ni sa 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 ni da pa ma ga re pa pa mama pa pa da ni da pa ma ga re ga za re pa mama pa pa sa ni da pa ma ga re ga za ni sa re ma ga re